In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add engaging animations to your text within the Wix editor. This feature can bring your website to life, capturing your audience's attention and enhancing the user experience. We're focusing on making your site as visually appealing as possible. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your Wix editor. Navigate through your website until you find the specific text you want to animate. Click on this text to select it, and you'll notice that a little menu bar pops up with a variety of options. Among these choices, you'll find one that says Animations. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking on Animations will bring up a new panel. This is where the magic happens. The panel gives you various animation options to choose from, allowing you to really play around with how your text appears on the page. You can choose entrance animations, which determine how the text appears when the page loads. Looping animations create a repeating effect, drawing attention to your text over time. Scrolling animations are tied to how the user navigates the page, changing as they scroll through content. Finally, mouse effects animations respond to the movement of the user's cursor, offering a dynamic, interactive feel. Once you have a sense of each type, select the animation you want to add to your text. Remember, you can combine both an entrance and looping animation if you're aiming for a more dynamic presentation. However, if you prefer to use scroll or mouse effects animations, be aware that these need to stand alone and can't be combined with other types. After picking your desired animation, you can further refine it by clicking on the Customize button. Each animation type comes with its own set of customizable settings. You can adjust things like speed, duration, and the specific effect, helping you to tailor the animation perfectly to suit your theme and style. Take this opportunity to tweak these settings to create exactly the feel you're aiming for on your website. Keep in mind that the key to great animations is balance. While it can be tempting to make every text element move, sometimes less is more. Consider your site's overall design and ensure that animations complement rather than overwhelm your content. With these steps, you should have a lively, interactive website that captures and holds the attention of your visitors, making their online experience both enjoyable and memorable. Thank you for watching, and happy animating!